Music is the world's universal language. It's a part of our daily lives, and making it bigger, louder, and more powerful is what we do at DAS. We want you to enjoy the music, to feel its rhythm and energy. We want to give you the freedom to let yourself go. At DAS, we want you to become one with the artist, with the audience, with the song. To forget about everything around you and live the moment with those you care about. Because sharing the joy of music is to share the joy of life. We want you to feel the emotion in the lyrics, as if you were part of the song, as if it was written for you. And as our sound systems energize the air around you, you'll experience music like you never have before. Feel free. Free to dance, to sing, to scream, to cry. Free to feel alive. Free to be you in a world where music is as essential as the air we breathe. A world where you can share your passion for rhythm, for melody and harmony, just like we share our passion for live sound. A world where you're free to live life at the speed of sound.